Under the display is an Exynos W920 processor and 1.5 gigabyte of RAM. Samsung watches run Wear OS very well, even during the initial setup, which is where smartwatches can be bogged down with installing apps. The watch felt snappy. I haven't run into any lag or bugginess. Overall, this is an attractive watch that can easily fit right in with your personal style. It has a very durable display, buttons that feels good, and solid performance. A smartwatch with bad battery life is almost worse than a phone with bad battery life since they are more annoying to charge. The Galaxy Watch 5 has a slightly bigger battery than last year's Watch 4. Whether or not that makes a difference to you depends on your usage. People who use their watch for sleep tracking may notice more improvements than others. As someone who charges every night, I've never run into the lower battery warning. In 2021, Samsung finally released a smartwatch with Google's Wear OS. The company is back with a sequel, the Galaxy Watch 5. There was a lot of excitement about last year's watch. Now, Samsung looks to refine the experience. There are two different models this year, the Galaxy Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro. This review is for the 40 Galaxy Watch 5. The Pro model has a larger battery and a more durable design, but the features are mostly the same. In terms of hardware, the standard Galaxy Watch 5 is made from aluminum, the Pro model is titanium. The bigger story, though, is the new Sapphire display. Sapphire is significantly stronger than the previously used Gorilla Glass displays. Theoretically, the Sapphire display should stay scratch-free forever, though it can still get cracked. Sticking with durability, the Watch 5 has an IP68 water and dust resistant rating and is MIL STD 81OH compliant. The water resistance goes up to 50 meter, making it a perfect swimming companion. This is a watch that can handle you day to day.